Hello viewers, today we'll talk about a new project ASP.NET Core User Management System. So basically in this project we have covered Identity Core and Entity Framework Core. So this is the MVC project, Model View Controller. So I'll talk about the project details and the feature we have covered. So basically using this project you can with nice UI you can manage the entire user management system. So login and registration with identity. And also we have added the dynamic feature which is dynamic role management system. So let's start. So I was just browsing the application main feature. So basically here is the dashboard. You can see the summarize total employee as a user, element, employee type, user type, department designation, and user role. So if we go to the user management as default, once you run the project with code fast, I already created the DB migration just as a seeded data. 10 user will be added into the system like a database. So I will explain the code details, project code structure details, DB connection, entity framework core, install packages, and the seeded data and the project structure, how project is working. So the you can get the details idea. So here is the user management system. Currently, I'm logging as an admin user, and if I go to the admin user here, here is the admin user super admin details and employee details. And if I check the admin user details, manage the page access, I can access the all the page because this user is this role. This user role is admin. So this user can access all this. So as a demo, let me create just a demo user test user and employee type like this is the drop down for just for a test phone number. I'm just putting the dummy test number, so I'm just putting just simple A1 password 123 and here is the user role. So admin can access all the page and general user can access only two pages. I'll show you the user role. So there is the user. I'm selecting general. So if I save, so user created successfully without page loading, user operation, CRUD operation, create operation has been done. So also the list also refresh without the interface refresh. You can check the details, new users, and here's the full details. And also you can change the manage page access by clicking check all here as well. So if I log out and log in using this newly created user like a1@gmail.com, password is just 123. So as I mentioned earlier, general user can access only his profile. So other page, so dashboard is showing empty. And this project is one of the major important feature is supported multi-language. Also, this project have like audit train, database or database operation log. So using the audit logs, you can check the all database create update operation by table wise from here. So you can check the details. So back to the user management. So this is we have created the test user, and if I go to the system role, manage user role, so we just as default we have two different role, admin and general. And if I click the admin, we can see all the page. We have 20 pages. Admin user can all the page, and if I select the general user can only 2 page access. General user have only 2 page access. Let me just create one demo user role with full page access. Demo role and dbd. So role has been created. So I just take I did a mistake. I need to select all the pages. Save. So now demo role user can access all the pages. If I now edit the demo user role, drop down from general to demo role, then we can check the changes after log out and log in using that user a1 at gmail.com. See, so we can access all the pages using a1 at gmail.com because we have assigned a new role which can access all the pages, and that new role is test user role, demo role. So demo role can access all the pages, you can see. So basically using this project you can manage complete user management with the IdentityCore and create update delete operation, also the user image, and you can additionally you can manage like designation, department, sub department, email configuration for user creation confirmation. We have added the email configuration here. Multiple, you can add multiple email here, and default email SMTP will select the application. Also the identity setting is dynamic, like password required digit and password required length is currently 3. You can change it to 6 or 7 or 10, and the required non-alphabetic. So this is the identity option. And if I go back to the user management system, we can already create one user and access with a different two role, like full access and just a general user. So if I go to the code project structure, here is the project. So this is the ASP.NET Core 6.0. You can see .NET 6 we have used, and we have the MVC. So this is our controller. We have the listed controller here, and in the model we have the model and view model in the folder. All the view model here uh, for the front-end database, front-end operations. And in the view you can see all the view for front-end Ajax call, validation, and front-end data pass to the controller. We have used jQuery, and the list view we have used data table. So here is our JS, page-wise JS, and if you go to the library, you can see the jQuery, data tables, switch alerts, all the libraries. Here is our data tables. So basically in the front end we have used data table, jQuery. We have used jQuery data table for paging, searching, sorting, and list view in the front end. And for all data operations, we have used IdentityCore, and we can show you the install packages. So we have installed IdentityCore 6.8, IdentityCore SQL Server, and tools. Also, this application is supported MySQL database. We have installed my IdentityCore MySQL, Swagger documentation, and the others few libraries for other tasks. If we go to the program.cs, we initially here is our multi-language configuration, and here is our multiple database configuration. Like I try to configure dynamically. So like here is my connection string table, connection string class, and based on the class properties, it will check unless it is MySQL or MSSQL or production or different DB connection. And if I go to the definition, so connection string, we have currently 6 different connection strings. So based on the string parameter, so project will pass the connection. So this is the overall program.cs file details, and here is the our we have inject like iCommon services account, email sender role, and iFunction. And for here is our migration, and also we have created some demo data. So let me show you the CDAR data. Here is the CDAR data details. So user profile, we have created tables while list. So this is the demo data, CDAR data. So in the DB initializer class, we call this all CDAR function here. So if I go to the application again, so this is the dashboard. I already explained, and you can see the recent user details here. And if I go to the application, so this is the test data. You can edit the user detail as well. And if I log out and log in, you can copy the demo user by clicking the copy, and if we log in. So this is the demo admin super user. So demo user, I just disable the edit permission, so you are not allowed to edit the demo user. So this is the overall summary using the .NET 6 identity core and ASP.NET Core. So we have created full user management with GUI super GUI details, and we have used admin LTE for front-end template. Also, this application supported multi-language, and you can switch from English to Arabic. If I switch English to Arabic, so your sidebar is automatically changed, and also I can switch English to Arabic to English as well. So here is the overall summary of user management using this project. You can create, update, delete user details with some drop-down data, and additional feature is like multi-language, and also check the login history, audit log, and additional configurable data. So hopefully you guys like this project, and I will share all the details. If you purchase this application, you will get entire project source code with proper documentation so that you can run. So you just need to build the project and just run automatically. All this demo data will be created once you just run the project. So this is the code first project to get database table and data automatically created. So newly created user only can access user management and the dashboard. As I said, the new rule only three different ways: user profile, dashboard, and user management. Hopefully I cover all the feature of this application, and I have created different user and role, and based on the user we have login and successfully log out and check the menu bar enable and disable. So some user can access all the pages and some user cannot access all the pages, and using this project, you can perform CRUD operation, user management, how drop-down data load, how entity framework core, core complex query and joining the multiple table. You can check using this project, and also in the front end, we have used data table jQuery and Ajax call, validation, suite alerts, so all the details. So a lot of learning curve here, and then also the MSSQL DB connection. Also, this application supported multiple database like MySQL. Also, later I will add the PostgreSQL as well. And thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you enjoy this and like this video, and most importantly, if you like this application, just go to the Code Canyon, and I will share the project details in the video links. You can see the project details in the Code Canyon user management system. So recently we have updated. Previous version was .NET 5, and recently we have updated to 6 and updated to dynamic role. Previously it was manual role, and also update the entire UI. So thank you. See you in the next video.